Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows inguinal hernia in a patient in a child aged about 3 years, and you will see the ultrasound findings in the inguinal hernia. A hernia occurs when an organ or fatty tissue squeezes through a weak spot in the surrounding muscle or connective tissue called fascia. Now you can see the right testes, and this testes looks echomechonormal. The most common type of hernia are inguinal inner groin, as you are seeing in this video. Then there is incisional, resulting from an incision, femoral, that is outer groin, umbilical, belly button, and hiatal upper stomach. You can see a small amount of fluid is seen along the testes, that is hydrocele. An inguinal hernia occurs when tissue such as part of the intestine protrudes through a weak spot in the abdominal muscle. The resulting bulge can be painful, especially when you cough, bend over, or lift a heavy object. Ultrasound is non-invasive, non-ionizing radiation modality which is highly successful at soft tissue imaging. Groin pain from an occult hernia can be difficult clinical diagnosis made easy by good imaging by optimizing the image using depth, focus, and gain. You can see the gut loops are also seen in the lateral aspect of the testes. Well, this is the hydrocele. Now you can see the gut loops have protrudes through a weak spot into the scrotum. Ultrasound findings in inguinal hernia are the herniated gut loops along with some fluid collection at inguinal region, as you can see in this case. Then there is herniated gut loops along testes and epididymis pulled up with herniated contents. Then number 3 is hydrocele on the respective involved site, and normal testes on the unaffected side. These are the findings seen in the inguinal hernia on ultrasound. A bulge in the groin area is visible because standing and coughing can make hernia more prominent. You will likely be asked to stand and cough or strain. If the diagnosis is not readily apparent, your doctor might order an imaging test such as abdominal ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI. Now you can see this is the testes, this is the hydrocele, and this is the right testes. Examination of an adult or for inguinal hernia is best performed from a seated position with the patient standing. The inguinal canal areas for the bulge are visualized. A provocative cough may be necessary to expose hernia. The cough is repeated as the examiner invaginates the scrotum and feels for an impulse. Not all inguinal hernia needed to be repaired, but all hernia repairs requires surgery. Small hernia that are not strangulated and not blocking blood flow to the intestine and are not causing bowel obstruction or significant pain do not necessarily require surgery or emergency surgical repair. So an inguinal hernia is not necessarily dangerous, but it doesn't improve on its own and can lead to life-threatening complications, your doctor is likely to recommend surgery to fix an inguinal hernia that is painful or enlarging. Hernia can be best misdiagnosed in females and can instead thought to be ovarian cysts. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.